This week's market pulse reads like a tug of war. Mortgage rates drifting lower despite Fed turmoil, rent data finally slipping into negative territory, and a housing market shifting decisively toward buyers. Beneath the headlines, the theme is clear. Affordability remains the choke point, and both investors and operators are recalibrating strategies. Mortgage rates plus Fed drama rates continue to surprise to the downside. With spreads improving, mortgage rates have fallen to a year-to-date low of 6.5%, and if spreads were to normalize, they could dip closer to 6%. The volatility isn't driven solely by bond markets, but by political interference. President Trump's unprecedented attempt to oust Fed Governor Lisa Cook has rattled confidence in the Fed's independence. Markets crave stability, but this clash only raises the risk premium. Even as rates soften, buyers are far from celebrating. Compared to 2019, families have lost nearly $30,000 in purchasing power. In other words, affordability has deteriorated faster than rates can recover it. The anticipated September rate cut may provide incremental relief, but don't expect a flood of new demand. Today's buyers remain cautious. Buyers plus sellers, a market rebalancing inventory has surged 18% year over year, bringing affordability opportunities not seen since 2022. Yet despite more options, buyers remain hesitant. High prices and broader economic uncertainty keep many sidelined. Sellers, meanwhile, are facing the music. Nearly 30% of listings saw price cuts in July, stale inventory is piling up, and only a handful of true sellers' markets remain. Put simply, leverage has shifted. Buyers hold the cards, but they're playing them slowly. Falling rates could lure both sides back into action, but until affordability improves materially, the gap between potential demand and realized transactions will persist. Bottom line, rates are easing, but affordability remains the binding constraint. Rent growth has flipped negative, signaling a supply-driven reset. Buyers finally have leverage,